Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share Google Drive files and folders in easy steps. So first you need to open any browser that you are using, and then you are going to click on here, Google Apps, and you will choose Google Drive. Here you need to locate the file or the folder that you want to share. If you don't have it here, you can just upload it by clicking on New and choose here. And let's say for example we want to share this one. We are going to click on it, and here we will see options. You click on the three dots here and you will see the option share. You click on share, then you will see it here. You need to change the general access from restricted to anyone with the link, and here of course you can choose how you are going to share this file, either only to view or editor, so that the other ones can download it. And after you finish all this, you just click on copy link and you go share. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.